Welcome to Schazoo Zaka, where we strive to achieve and maintain high standards and provide excellent pharmaceutical products that will surely open doors for Pakistan all over the globe.
Schazoo Zaka is breaking the myth of tuberculosis by giving hope for a new future. Located in Lahore, the heart of Pakistan, Schazoo Zaka has been working since half a century for a healthier Pakistan. At the birth of Pakistan, Schazoo fulfilled the extreme shortage of essential drugs, and in 1951, the journey began. We have the widest range of anti-tuberculosis products, including pediatric and multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. We also manufacture asthmatic, cardiovascular, anti-diabetic, bone health, pain management, and other lifestyle-related products. We have two segregated sections, one of which is dedicated to manufacturing of anti-tuberculosis medicines containing rifampicin. Schazoo Zaka Private Limited is licensed to manufacture solid dosage forms, including coated and uncoated tablets, capsules, dry powder suspension, and sachets. Schazoo Zaka is a 5.5-acre site located in a greenfield environment 20 kilometers from Lahore on the Jaranwala Road near Kalalwala. Schazoo Zaka employs qualified personnel in all departments and is dedicated to continuous training to enhance the competency of its staff. The personnel changing areas are provided with toilets, showers, changing cabins. City clothes and shoes are replaced by clean uniform and shoes. Inside the manufacturing zone, our employees move in the personnel corridor to reach their respective sections. All materials received in the warehouse pass the de-dusting zone and are placed under quarantine status marked with yellow ribbons. Trained pharmacists and quality assurance officers conduct sampling and dispensing under laminar flow hood. The tagged items of the weighed batch are transferred to the process zone. The production area has terrazzo floors and painted enamel walls for smooth surfaces. Custom-built powder-coated mild steel doors with stainless steel handles have been fitted in the process zone for easy movement of goods. HVAC swirl diffusers have been installed as per international requirements with low return grills. Positive pressure is maintained in the process zone corridor to protect each room from cross-contamination. 316 SS purified water loop, compressed air, and portable water supply has been given where required. Automatic vacuum transfer systems have been installed on granulation machines. High-pressure, high-speed compression machines are being used for tableting. Tablets are then coated in sophisticated enclosed GMP coating machines. Coated tablets are packed by blister machines in the process zone. Separate areas are available for dry powder suspension filling and capsule production. Sealed blisters are packed into cartons which undergo online batch printing. Finished goods are transferred to the finished goods warehouse. Goods ready for shipment are loaded on trucks from the FG docking area. In-process quality checks are conducted at each stage to ensure the precision of the dose in every unit manufactured at Schazoo Zaka. Quality is built into all our products according to international pharmaceutical standards. The capacity and filtration standard of each HVAC unit is customized according to the area it is controlling. The purified water system, consisting of the reverse osmosis membrane and electrodiode unit, supplies high-quality water to the purified water loop. The Quality Control Laboratory has a separate wet chemistry hall in which fumigation hood, emergency shower, and eye showers have been installed. Separate instrument rooms are available for physical testing, FTIR testing, HPLC, and spectrophotometric testing. A properly equipped microbiology department has been established. Maximum efforts are made to adhere to international pharmacopoeial standards of active pharmaceutical ingredients and finished products. Reference standards are stored in a temperature and humidity controlled environment. In the Quality Assurance Department, company-wide records are reviewed and stored. Quality Assurance Department is responsible for making the validation master plan and reviewing all validation-generated records. Equipment qualification and calibration activities are periodically conducted. The Quality Assurance Department has established a self-inspection system to ensure GMP compliance. The Research and Development Department of Schazoo Zaka is equipped to conduct accelerated stability studies in climatic chambers and established procedures for formulation and testing of new products. In the vision for the next millennium, Schazoo Zaka is embarking on the program to become a respected and strong multinational company in the healthcare sector.
In the end, we would like to thank you for being a part of the Schazoo Zaka experience.